There's something powerful happening in Jamaica right now. And the Pinnacle, that striking new high-rise in Montego Bay, is more than just a luxury development. It's a symbol of where Jamaica is heading. Because the Pinnacle isn't just a building, it's a signal that Jamaica has entered a new era of confidence, growth, and opportunity. And make no mistake, there will be many more tall buildings to follow. For a long time, our economy struggled under the weight of debt and limited opportunity. But in recent years, Jamaica has completely changed course. Through disciplined management, we've stabilized our finances, improved our position with the IMF, and built the kind of economic foundation that attracts global investors. Debt is down. Inflation is under control. Confidence is up. And when confidence rises, so do buildings. Across the island, you can see transformation everywhere. New highways are connecting towns and parishes like never before. The North-South Highway, the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project, and the Montego Bay Bypass are linking communities, cutting travel time, and unlocking new areas for growth. Our airports and ports are being modernized, our digital infrastructure is improving, and the government's Logistics Hub initiative is positioning Jamaica as a critical link in global trade, right between the Americas, Europe, and Asia. That means more jobs, more investment, and more demand for housing, offices, and hotels. And that's why we'll be seeing more projects like the Pinnacle, not just in Montego Bay, but across the island. The Logistics Hub vision alone could transform Jamaica into the Caribbean's gateway for shipping, manufacturing, and commerce. Imagine the scale of investment that will follow. Regional headquarters, technology parks, smart cities, and financial centers. Every one of those developments needs infrastructure and vertical growth. Because as land becomes more valuable, and as Jamaica attracts more global partners, we'll start to build upwards, just like every other successful economy has done. What's even more exciting is the new level of private sector confidence. We're seeing bold investments in real estate, renewable energy, tourism, and technology. The diaspora is coming home, not just to visit, but to invest, to build, and to be part of Jamaica's next chapter. And that's the real story behind the Pinnacle. It's not an exception, it's the beginning of a pattern. It's proof that Jamaica is now seen as a place where big, visionary projects can succeed. So when you see those towers rising over Montego Bay, don't just see concrete and glass. See progress, see ambition, see a nation finally realizing its potential. Because when a country builds highways, strengthens its economy, attracts investment, and earns global confidence, one thing always follows: development. And in Jamaica, that development is starting to reach new heights. Literally. The Pinnacle might be the first of its kind and tallest for now, but it won't be the last. From Kingston to Montego Bay, the cranes are coming, the investors are ready, and Jamaica is shining brighter than ever. We're not just watching our skyline change, we're watching our future take shape. Jamaica is rising, and the world is finally watching.